And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and let's go over my diamond team. I released this video yesterday and we're getting new members here, and I'm going to do the first airdrop for all my new teammates. And this is the first time I do my diamond team. Also, we have the Splash Network. That one continues to grow. We have 35 members. I've already done one airdrop and another one coming later this week. At the time of this recording, we have 116 deposits there of Splash, and we're earning 2% on that. And those gains, I give it back to my teammates. That's where we stand with Splash Network. Let's go to my diamond team. I only deposited 0.5 BNB, and from those referrals and reinvestments, I'm now at 0.65. Thank you for those that have joined my team. If we scroll down, we see some new team members there, and it's only 5 of us. So what I'm going to do is add money into my team and airdrop $20 to each of my new members. So let's go to CoinGecko and go to BNB. BNB is currently trading at $3.79. How much is $20? That's 0.052 BNB. Let's take out the calculator there. 0.052 times 5. I need to deposit 0.26 BNB there that I will be airdropping. Let's scroll down here. Team airdrop. Going to put my team ID here, and I'm going to airdrop 0.26 BNB here. 0.26. Not going to send myself any. I'm actually going to deposit more BNB in here. There we go. Send. It shows my balance here. Let's confirm this. All right, that's been approved. Here we go. So I officially did the first team airdrop. Thank you guys for joining my diamond team. I airdropped 0.26. Everybody's getting $20 worth of BNB for joining my team. As the team grows, I will continue to do more and more airdrops on a weekly basis, deposit money here on my diamond team and on Splash Network. I found these projects the best way for me to give back to my community. So if you're looking to earn some extra rewards, my diamond team pays in BNB and my airdrops are in BNB. Splash Network is driven by the Splash token, which you can sell for AVAX. So make sure to check out my channel, links under the description of this video for both my diamond team and Splash Network. So the next step I'm going to do now is reinvest the $10 I have here pending. Let's reinvest that. All right, that got reinvested. And let me deposit here some more BNB. I had deposited 1 BNB into my account, 1 minus 0.26, that airdrop. That leaves me at 0.74. So I'm going to deposit 0.74. There we go. Let's deposit here. Confirm. And there we go. It's been processed. Alrighty, very nice. So I deposited 0.74 BNB into my diamond team, and the rest of the 0.26 BNB I airdropped all my new teammates. So this is where we stand now. I have 0.142203 BNB deposited, and now we're earning 2% on that. And based on the gains of the team, I will be doing weekly airdrops, and just depending on the growth of the team, I'll be doing 1 or 2 airdrops per week. Same with Splash Network. That's going to do it for this one. Make sure to come and visit my channel, like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.